Welcome to 90-second NIKKOR. This time the NIKKOR Z 135mm f1.8s Plena. A true game changer, Plena has been called a quantum leap in lens technology. This mid-telephoto lens unleashes never before seen creative possibilities with perfectly round bokeh from edge to edge. There's no color fringing, no cat's eyes, no onion rings, no vignetting. Just superbly rendered stills and video that show incredible detail, wonderful color, and amazing subject separation. There's also no need to stop this lens down. Wide open at f1.8, you'll still achieve sharpness and detail across the frame. Stills and video gain immersive, dreamlike quality. Portraits, still life, product, street scenes, even landscapes. The new creative options Plena offers are there to be explored. This is a lens that loves moving subjects too, with super fast autofocus that gives you ultimate confidence you'll get the results that you need. Superb ergonomics allow natural and easy reach to all of the controls, whether you're horizontal or vertical. And at just shy of a kilo, it feels perfectly balanced on your camera as well. Hit the link to find out more about the NIKKOR Z 135mm f1.8s Plena and get creating. And that's 90-second NIKKOR.